working on GMetrix PowerPoint Project Review 3. We're on the Wakesurfing part of the project. The first task wants us to go to that slide, Wakesurfing, and it wants us to go ahead and remove the animation from the title. So with that selected, we'll go to the animations group, and there are a few ways to do this. You could, with this selected, just select none and it disappears, or you could have selected that 0 and hit the delete key on your keyboard. We'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to insert a video file in the right placeholder content box. To do that, we'll go ahead and put our cursor here, and you can see it faintly, but there's a little icon for insert video. We'll go ahead and click that. We'll click browse. We'll map to our GMetrix templates folder, and we'll go ahead and select Wakesurfing. Click insert, and we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to go ahead and do some editing to this video. The first thing we're going to do is remove the black on the right and left side. So with this video selected, we're on the Video Tools Format tab here at the top. We're in the size group. We'll go ahead and select crop, and we'll just go ahead and pull these handles in until the black is gone. We'll go ahead and hit crop. The next thing it wants us to do is to trim the video. So we'll go to the playback tab here at the top. We'll select trim. We'll change the end time to 4 seconds and click OK. We'll change the fade out time to 1 second. And we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task. This task wants us to make it to where this video starts automatically. With the video selected, we're on the Video Tools Playback tab here at the top. And in the Start section, we want to change that from on click to automatically. And we'll go ahead and check that that task is complete. This task wants us to go ahead and apply a style to the video. So with that selected, we're on the Video Tools Format tab here at the top. We're in the Video Styles group. And what we're looking for is moderate rotated gradient. If you're not sure which one to select, make sure you hover before you select it. And we'll go ahead and check that we completed that task.